He's gonna beat the hell out of the motor we need to put in his other truck. I can't! Fucking diesel motherfucker. He's gonna beat the hell out of the motor we need to put in his other truck.
Grab another gear lane.
No clutch, no brake, no problem.
Take the damn bed off. This don't do it, I don't know what the fuck will. And that green chair inside the barn.
Shit. That one's junk. We're gonna have to cut it.
You stripped that motherfucker out?
Oh yeah.
Oh, and we shattered it.
That's it. Snap on. You got an angle grinder?
The thing is, I don't really want to fucking cut them out.
I just say cut the heads off of them.
Then I gotta get the fucking things out. Put a new bed on it.
Beat them out. Once the bed's off, all you gotta do is...
Well, you see, we just now got the bumper off, and now we're going to get the truck in, pull this stupid 5.4 Triton out, and by the end of this episode, you will see a 7.3 going in this truck.
It'll go in, it just ain't gonna run.
Bullshit.
We're not mechanics. Yeah, this is the big step that has to get done before anything else. If you don't have this motor out, you ain't getting the white truck in here to get the 7.3 built. Fucking diesel motherfucker.
We need to get this off. Tyler, you want to work on getting that off?
What?
This power cord.
Who needs the special upholstery tools? Didn't even cut a single one. That's what I'm talking about. That's professional work. Fuck, I ain't gonna stick my knees up there if I got this. I forgot you had it for a second.
Oh, it's going so far so good. We got the front clip off. Now we're just starting the main.
Motherfucker.
Starting in on the main.
I might need the quarter. I don't
Jesus
know.
Christ.
It might be metric. It's probably a 5.5, some bullshit like that.
With the front clip off, we are starting to get the motor, parts of the motor disassembled to get it
That ain't
out.
gonna work. I need metric. That's ridiculous. There's a lot of dirt down in there. That's enough of that. Battery ratchet. Where's she at?
Trying to get this 5.4 out of this hunk of shit, and hopefully get the white truck in and start on it. That's all we're gonna do tonight.
Tyler, what do we plan on accomplishing tonight?
Nothing. You see it. We're standing around. Give me a 5/16 socket. There it is. plenum was connected to all this. Yeah, I went to take this off, pick it up, and I went to lift it up and everything came with it. So I was like, okay. What are you trying to do? Huh?
Move out of the way, Jacob. Open the door.
Open the door. Open the door.
Oh no, you can. Hey, I can hear a kidney stone forming. Calm. Calm. Okay, diabetes.
Woo! I ain't keeping this motor. Don't need that anymore.
Alright, fuckers, let's get this shit done. Sharing spitters. That's it. I'm trying to tell if this truck is 4x4. Dude, 2x4 trucks have this little panel like this one. It's a fucking steering wheel. What the fuck are you looking at? Like, it should. I'm getting pissed. Look, is our front fucking drive shaft or not? You're cutting. I don't cut the sawzalls.
Why?
Remember having my sawzall? Me and Landon reminded me of something Mrs. Carey out. And my sawzall is so loose, like the bolt will wiggle itself out.
The blade
we have
flew out
blades
on
flying back at our heads. Like, that's the only time I've ever wore safety glasses in her shop. Let her eat, Tater Chip.
Yeah! Metal shaving's not good in the eye.
Put your safety glasses on.
Getting there. Might want to.
Dunzo, bell housing bolts. Let's get this bitch out.
You want to get the rest of this exhaust out of the way?
Okay.
Cutting more. What the fuck? Nope.
Got it.
Here we go. Y pipe's out.
That's how you remove a Y pipe.
It may surprise you, but this episode was filmed literally a year and a half ago. Like, I was there just the other day, and the truck has not been touched since. Like, I literally have bottles with my initials on top of them, still sitting out there. We didn't finish the project because there was a lot of electrical problems that you have when you swap over 7.3 into one of these trucks. We have a friend who did the same swap. But this was just an episode to fill in time between our last episode and our next Cummins episode. It's all filmed. I just need to edit it. But you will see the Cummins on the next episode of American Detour. Go.
I can't! Alright, fuckers, let's get this shit done.
Jacob, say it.
Say what?